walked and walked and walked, mostly downhill. And now we get here, and there's a tiny side trail there that's really narrow and super mucky. And then there's this one that goes down a little bit further. And then there's this one that's wider, but it looks like it's going in the wrong direction. We think the waterfalls must be that way because that's the way the water is flowing, from that direction. We cannot find the waterfall, so now we have to climb back up all the hills to get back to the parking lot. Oh well, a good exercise. There's a lot of little flies and bugs and stuff today. Nothing biting, but very annoying. Oh, danger, danger, Will Robson. We tried our best. We will have to go home and look at the map again. Apparently there's an app you can download about the trails. I think that would have been helpful today. So heading back to the parking lot, and I'm gonna call this hike complete, and then we'll take Tickles for a walk. Someplace flatter with less weeds and bugs.